Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials so the AI tool can run reliably. First, make sure you're on Photoshop 2023 Plus and installed the latest update. This provides required APIs. Once done, sign into Adobe Creative Cloud with the account tied to your plan. Next, open Photoshop Preferences and go to Technology Previews or Beta Features and toggle AI-related options on. Doing this unlocks hidden modules. It's the quickest way to prepare the app for the next configuration steps. Now you'll install and configure the AI extension itself. Go to Plugins Discover and search for the official generative or AI plugin, then click Install. This downloads the module and any dependent assets. After installation, restart Photoshop so the plugin initializes and the app can register GPU drivers. Then navigate to Preferences Performance and ensure Use Graphics Processor is checked. Choose the correct GPU and allocate appropriate memory. These steps let Photoshop offload heavy models to your hardware for smoother performance. Finish by activating and validating the tool so you can work confidently. Open Window Extensions or Plugins and launch the AI tool panel. Sign in if prompted and accept requested permissions. Perform a quick test. Duplicate a layer, select an AI action like Generative Fill, apply it, and evaluate quality and speed. If the tool fails, make sure GPU drivers are current, re-sign into Creative Cloud, or reset preferences to defaults. One key tip: if results look off, clear plugin cache and retry before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.